Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Kembasis. As you all aware, India reels under a surge of COVID-19 cases. Experts have theorized that the new wave of infection is driven by the double mutant variant discovered in the country. The expert says that the double mutant is likely to become the dominant form of the SARS-CoV-2 virus in India and some other countries abroad. Moreover, in some portion of the country, there is report of triple mutant of the coronavirus, which is also raising concern in India. So friends, let us understand what is this double mutant or triple mutant variant and why it is a matter of concern to all of us. Friends, as you can see that how the coronavirus spread across the whole world. As of now, India ranks second in total number of COVID-19 cases and ranks fourth in total number of death cases. This clearly suggests that our country is hugely affected by this pandemic. The rise of cases during the second wave is much more high compared to the first wave, and same pattern is also observed in case of death cases. Research suggested that most of the cases in India is happened due to the double mutant of the COVID-19 virus named as B1.617. This double mutant is likely to become the dominant form of SARS-CoV-2 virus in India and some other countries abroad. But friends, B1.617 is not the only mutation driving the current surge. So far, over 7,000 individual mutations of SARS-CoV-2 virus have been documented in India. So friends, before going to the double or triple mutant, let us understand that what are variants and what is called mutations. Friends, all viruses mutates as they replicate as a part of a natural process. A mutation occurs when there is an error or change in the RNA sequence of the virus as it replicates. Some viruses mutate faster than others, such as influenza virus. Now, as you can see in this picture, it is a diagram of a COVID-19 virus. The surface of this virus contains spike protein, and inside this virus, as you can see, there is RNA. This RNA plays a very crucial role in mutation. Friends, mutations are written down in the form of which nucleotide or amino acid is changing and at what position in the sequence. As an example, E484Q mutation affects the spike protein of the SARS-CoV-2 virus in a way where the amino acid E, or that is also called glutamic acid, has been replaced by Q, that is also called glutamine, at the 484th position. As a virus mutates, it can sometimes retain same mutation while also giving rise to more along the way and retaining those. Multiple mutations that spread persistently give rise to a new variant of the virus, such as India variants or UK variants. Some of these variants carry mutations that can escape detection by the immune system, and neutralizing antibodies or spread faster or infect more people, causing severe disease or a combination of these three behaviors. When variants under investigation or interest acquire mutations that demonstrate any of these behaviors, they are designated as variants of concern. Friends, the Indian double mutant, that is B.1.617, this variant carries two very important mutations. The first one is L452R and the second one is E484Q. Both these mutations have been associated with evading the immune system of our body, while L452R mutation has been associated with rapid spread of cases. So this B.1.617 variant is most likely to be the leading cause behind the sudden and staggering growth in the numbers being witnessed in India. Now the question is, what is this triple mutant? The triple mutant descriptor came along because of a mutation of interest that is called V382L that is present in the spike protein. With available data from other countries where it has been detected before, it doesn't seem to worry much at the moment. Friends, it is to be mentioned that there is no such terminology such as double or triple mutation of virus. The term double or triple mutation used in many media reports were to signify the number of mutation which can escape our immune system. Friends, now I will talk about the Indian variant of the coronavirus, that is B.1.618, which is currently spreading rapidly in West Bengal. The B.1.618 is characterized by E484K, a major immune escape mutation. It also carries two deletions in its spike protein. There is currently not enough evidence to indicate that the variant is driving the spread in West Bengal, and experts have clarified that investigation is needed into it to understand its behavior. So friends, that's it now. If you do like this video, please share it, and please also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Chembasis. Thank you very much for your kind attention.